kids! Today we are drawing a doll. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing hair of our doll. Our doll has very beautiful hair. She has flowers in her hair. Please like and subscribe. Wow! So beautiful, doll! Now, we are drawing eyes of our doll. Wow! So cute, doll! Look! She is watching us. Now, we draw a beautiful dress of the doll. Wow! So cute dress! Our doll looks like a princess. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. See you in next video. Take care!